Australian government will replace its controversial immigration rules. Here's what's changing. In today's video update, we'll be doing an introduction of Direction 110 visa. But before we continue, we'd be grateful if you can support us by pressing the subscribe button and hit the like button, so you don't miss any updates on UK visa and immigration. Now back to the video. The Australian government has announced a significant change in its immigration policy with the introduction of Direction 110 visa. This new directive aims to prioritise community safety during visa review and cancellation processes. Here's an overview of the changes and what they mean for visa applicants and holders. Key changes under Direction 110 visa. The first is prioritising community safety. Under Direction 110, the safety of the Australian community has been placed at the forefront. This means that any visa applicant or holder who poses a risk to the community may face stricter scrutiny and potential visa cancellation. The second change, impact on family violence cases. A crucial aspect of Direction 110 is its focus on family violence. The directive emphasises the government's zero-tolerance approach to domestic and family violence, ensuring that the impact on victims is a primary consideration in visa decisions. Assessment criteria for visa applicants. Direction 110 outlines several primary considerations for decision-makers, including the protection of the Australian community from criminal or serious conduct, whether the conduct involved family violence, the strength, nature, and duration of a person's ties to Australia, the best interests of minor children in Australia, and the expectations of the Australian community. Revised tolerance levels. Unlike Direction 99, which generally afforded a higher level of tolerance for non-citizens who have lived in Australia for most of their lives, Direction 110 states that tolerance may be provided. This shift underscores a more stringent approach to visa reviews. Now, let's briefly talk about the opposition and international reactions. Let's first briefly look at the criticism from the opposition. Opposition leader Peter Dutton has criticised the government, claiming that Direction 99 made Australia less safe and expressing doubts about the effectiveness of Direction 110. He urged the government to ensure better outcomes for community safety. What's New Zealand's response? New Zealand has expressed concerns about the deportation of individuals with minimal ties to their country. Prime Minister Christopher Luxon highlighted the importance of a common-sense approach to deportations, ensuring that those who grew up in Australia are treated fairly. Conclusion of today's video update. The introduction of Direction 110 marks a pivotal change in Australia's immigration policy, with a clear emphasis on community safety and zero tolerance for family violence. As this directive takes effect, its impact on visa applicants and holders will be closely monitored by both domestic and international observers. Our video ends here. Don't forget to comment below and share your views on today's video. Thanks for watching today's update.